Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info channel. Today I have OPPO A2 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game not visible in your Google Play Store on this device. If you have the same problem as mine, you search Mobile Legends games, you have it, but you can't download it. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu and tap on our photo on the right corner and go to the settings. In it, family and parental controls. As you can see now we have PG3 to download game as Teamfight Tactics, Mobile Legends games, Call of Duty games. We must change it to PG16, PG18 or all PG. To do it, we click there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental controls. And now we have all PG. We tap on all PG and confirm by got it and save. And that's all. We can go back to our Mobile Legend games and now we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!